Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Shiba Inu on Binance. Alright, first up, go ahead and go to Binance.com, or you can go ahead and open up your mobile app. Okay. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and click on your profile right here at the very top or at the top right. Just click on it. And once done, make sure that you have deposited enough money, of course. Okay. Deposit USD right here, or depending on your currency. Now, once you have your money, okay, or your fiat money, you can go ahead over to buy crypto, okay, at the top left. Now go ahead and enter the amount of USD or whatever currency it is that you're trying to use. Now go ahead and choose the drop down right here under receive, okay, find Shiba, okay, or SHIB, Shiba Inu. You just click on it. Now, for example, you wanted to buy $100 worth of Shiba Inu, you will receive this amount of SHIB. And if you're happy with it, just go ahead and click on payment method right here. Select your preferred payment method. You can go ahead and use your card, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Okay. Or if you already have your fiat money under your Binance account, you can just go ahead and use your fiat money. Okay. And once that's done, just click on buy right here. And after that, when you go ahead and go to your profile, you'll be able to see your SHIB right here, or Shiba Inu. That is how you buy Shiba Inu on Binance. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.